Hey guys, it's Claire, and today I'll be showing you how to change the game mode on a Hytale server. First, we'll be showing you the method of how to change game mode for a specific player. All you have to do is head over to Server.pro and then into your Hytale server. Then make sure your server's online. If not, click start. And in the console, type /game mode, the game mode, and then the player name. Once you're done, the player's game mode will now be updated. Keep in mind the player must be logged into the server for the command to work. Method 2 is changing the default game mode for new players. This sets the game mode for new players joining the server. So all you have to do is stop the server, then go into the file section on the left and open config. There locate the game mode setting and change it to creative or survival. Then once that's done, click save and restart the server or just start it up again. New players will now join with the selected game mode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.